Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite with a controller on PC. First, immediately guide you through the initial setup. Connect your preferred controller to your computer, either with a reliable USB cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. Make sure your controller's software drivers are current for the best experience. Once connected, simply open the Epic Games launcher and launch Fortnite. Now, let's fine-tune your in-game experience. Once Fortnite is running, access the main settings menu. Look for the Controller Options tab, which is specifically designed for gamepad users. Here, you can personalize various settings like aiming sensitivity, controller dead zone, and even remap individual buttons to suit your unique playstyle. Experiment to find what feels most comfortable for you. Getting comfortable with the controller layout is key to mastering Fortnite. Most controllers follow a standard button assignment, but you can always customize it. I highly recommend practicing your building and editing skills in the game's creative mode. This will significantly boost your speed and precision. Many players find the Builder Pro layout to be incredibly efficient for quick construction, allowing you to build structures with just one button press. To truly excel, consider these advanced techniques. Aim Assist can be a powerful tool to improve your targeting accuracy, especially in close quarters combat. Practice swiftly switching between your weapons and building pieces to maintain an advantage. Also, incorporating advanced movement techniques, such as slide canceling, can help you navigate the map more effectively and evade enemy fire. Consistent practice will make these actions second nature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.